Hey guys, what's going on? In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to replace the coin mechanism on your U-turn vending machine. This is gonna be a pretty short video, only about 5 minutes, but it's gonna be really informative and I think it should help anyone looking to replace their coin mechanism. But if you still have any questions or comments or tips or whatever, just leave it in the comments down below and I'll be sure to respond to you as soon as I can. If you're new to my channel, I post new vending machine videos every single Saturday at 10, so be sure to subscribe and like so you never miss out. And we actually just hit 350 subscribers, which is a pretty big milestone and it's definitely helping me on my way to 500 subs. So if you want to see any other vending videos, just be sure to check out my channel and I'll have a new collection video going up next Saturday. Now with all that out of the way, let's get on with the tutorial. First, you want to take off all of the canisters so you just have the part of the machine with the coin mechanism that you want to replace. Next, you want to take out all of the coin boxes so that you have a lot more room to work with on the inside. Now, we'll take the coin mechanism that we're replacing and put it to the back just like this. We do this so that we can see the back of the mechanism and we can see all of the screws. Now, this is the mechanism we want to replace, so if we just zoom in on that, we can see that there are a couple of screws in the back, but it's not as complicated as it looks. We do not need to unscrew any of these 3 screws right here, so you just don't even have to touch any of those. The only one we need to deal with is this screw right here, so all we need to do is unscrew this first, and don't touch any of these 3. So I'll just unscrew this screw in the bottom right now. Now that this screw is out, all we have to do is lift up the mechanism to take it out. Now that we have the original coin mechanism out, all we have to do is take the new mechanism and slide it on just like we took the old one off. So it should just slide on like this and it should fit nicely. Also, be sure not to screw this back in just yet. Before we lock the new mechanism in place, we need to put on the chute door, which can be kind of complicated, but it's not too bad. First, make sure that your spring looks like this. If it's not, then it won't be able to close properly. In order to install the chute door, we need to put each of these pegs behind the cutout inside of the coin mechanism. So we can just lift up the coin mechanism like this and set the chute door behind it, just like this, and then slowly slide it down and we should be able to get it in place nicely. Now that we have the chute door back on, we can turn the machine around again to lock the mechanism in place. To do this, all we have to do is put the screw back in place and make sure that it is tightened nicely. Now that we have all of our screws back in place, our mechanism is ready to be used again. If this video helped you at all, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to help me reach my goal of hitting 500 subscribers. And if you want, you can go check out some of my other vending series in the playlist down below. So thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for a new collection video coming next week.